Welcome to my Crypto Yuhanis channel. Today we're going to take a look at CoinEx platform. We will examine what it is and how it works.
Crypto Yuhanis.
Before we start, let's make it clear that this video does not contain any financial advice in any way. You must make your own research before you invest in anything. If you enjoy my reviews, you can leave a like, and if you find my content enjoyable, then you can subscribe and hit the notification bell. Remember, your comments are always welcome. Now, let's start. As we mentioned in our last video, today we will be focused on spot trading. As you know, CoinEx is a versatile platform who tries to create the best possible solutions for crypto traders and their users. Of course, there are many ways that you can trade with CoinEx, such as futures contract or trading with fiat currency. But today we're going to talk about the most popular and liberating one, spot trading, which refers to trading just cryptocurrencies. CoinEx is known to be very easy to use with various systems that you can help you along the way. First thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have enough assets in your account. You can check this information in your spot account. If you don't have enough, you can make a deposit, which is really easy. Here, you can choose to transfer money into your CoinEx account, and if you want to withdraw, that option is also available. Or you can choose above mentioned fiat trading to buy with traditional currencies such as USD or Euro. Then you can head into spot trading section directly. What I really love about CoinEx is the fact that these helpful tutorials. These will help you understand spot trading better and get you accustomed with the system. It is important to get informed and know what you're doing before starting. And starting is really easy and straightforward with CoinEx. Knowing that CoinEx will be with you along the way is also reassuring. By the way, if you haven't set your Google Authenticator, you should do it. Otherwise, the system will not allow you to make transactions for your security. For that, you can watch our first video. In the spot trading page, you will find trading pairs, and it is great to see such variety in a spot trading page. You can see all kinds of information regarding the pair you choose. There's a graph which you can customize to your liking, and above there's information about the pair and the token. You can see that the amount of liquidity in CoinEx is very high, and it is a very popular platform with lots of actions going on. If you want, you can also use the other platforms to verify this information or check prices such as CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Now, when you want to place an order, there are three types of advanced options to choose from. If you select immediate and then cancel, any uncompleted part will be cancelled. If you select fill or kill, only transactions that can be completed will be executed. If you can become a maker and get a discount, you can select post only. Now here, you can enter the amount you want to buy on the left section, which is green. On the right, you can find the selling section, which is marked with red. Let's buy 20 USDT worth of BTC, for example, which is a very popular pair, of course. Remember, it is on limit order and always valid mode. We should choose BTC USDT pair to execute this action, obviously. Confirm the action, and then you're done. Now, when the market price reaches the preset price, you can successfully buy BTC. You can also add margin leverage, but for now, we won't. There's also a reminder that these can be risky. Well, I like the fact that CoinEx always wants you to know the best option possible for you. Below, you can find your pending orders, and if you made a mistake, you can always cancel it. When it is done, everything will be transferred into our account, and there you can choose to do what you wish. You can keep track of your order history and see all of your income and expenses. If you have any questions, CoinEx got you covered with lots of tutorial videos and tips for beginners. You can directly click the help center to reach support and information. CoinEx is also quite active on social media and is continuously looking for new ways to communicate with its users. Telegram is the greatest way to get information. There are always those who wish to assist you, and they have already surpassed the 65,000 member mark. You may also follow them on Facebook and Instagram, where they post often, and following them on all of these platforms will help you avoid losing out on important information. CoinEx has over 260k Twitter followers, As you can see, they always issue monthly reports, and you can simply keep up with CoinEx news and developments on Twitter. Reddit and Medium are especially helpful for learning about the project from others who are working on it. Professional cryptocurrency exchange CoinEx has been working hard to help individuals who are interested in cryptocurrencies with its open environment since it was founded in December 2017. With nearly 20 languages to choose from, tips and tutorials for traders, CoinEx wants to be a platform everyone can enjoy and benefit from. That will be it for today's video. We looked at various details about CoinEx and introduced spot trading futures. Take care and stay safe.